Hello friends! Today we will learn how to draw birds with 2022 year number. So let's start. I am very excited. First we will draw 2022 the main part. Then we will draw a semicircle here. And a dot here and a dot in the center. And two beaks for the birds. And a little hat for designing. And let's now like this, and we will draw straight lines here. Now we will do a line like this and this. So now the last part is we will draw its legs. Done! So friends, did you succeed in the first try? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked my video, then like it and subscribe it. Bye!